Hello, and welcome to another insightful episode of the Book Med OET series. Today, we will be delving into the world of verb preposition combinations in a healthcare context. In the dynamic field of healthcare, communication is key. Verb preposition combos play a crucial role in describing medical procedures, patient care, and actions taken by healthcare professionals. Let's explore some examples to better understand their significance. Our first combo is adhere to. It means to stick or follow closely, to maintain allegiance or compliance. For instance, patients are advised to adhere to the prescribed medication schedule. This emphasizes the importance of following a specific plan, ensuring optimal treatment outcomes. Next up, recover from, which means to regain health or normal condition after an illness, injury, or setback. Imagine someone who is just undergone surgery. She is currently recovering from that procedure. This combo helps convey the ongoing process of recuperation after a medical intervention. Moving on to suffer from. It's a phrase which means to experience pain, distress, or a particular condition. For instance, someone may suffer from chronic back pain. This combo allows healthcare professionals to pinpoint and address specific patient conditions. Now, let's turn to check for, meaning to examine or look for, to verify the presence or absence of something. The doctor will systematically check for any signs of infection. This combo is instrumental in diagnostic procedures, helping identify potential health issues. Next, cope with, meaning to deal effectively with difficulties or challenges, to manage or handle. Many patients learn to cope with chronic conditions. Nurses care for the elderly in the facility. Care for means to show concern, affection, or support, to attend to the needs of someone or something. When delving into medical history, specialists often refer to the patient's records. It means to mention, or direct attention to, or to use as a source of information. And finally, respond to, meaning to reply or react to something, or to answer or act in response. For instance, some patients respond well to specific treatments. In conclusion, these verb preposition combinations help convey precise medical actions, patient conditions, and the efforts of healthcare professionals. Stay tuned to the Book Med OET series for more valuable insights to excel in your OET journey. For health and social care jobs, send us your CV to cv@bookamed.com and we will call you.